All right, we just got back and pick up this little air compressor. It's a 11-gallon, 4 horsepower. It's Coleman Power Mate. I don't know what year is this been made, but it's made in the US. So we're gonna go through and see. I don't have much information about it. So we're just gonna go through. As you guys can see, it's all greasy everywhere in here. Even the little gauge says US made as well. Made in the US, sorry. And probably will see the date in here maybe. No. It's 125 PSI max or 145 PSI max, I think. This is kind of newish looking little air compressor. Oh, there you go. It's a 1999. So this is a 24 years old air compressor. See how it works. I'm gonna plug it in right now. Oh yeah, it works. It's got the wrong outlet in here, I would say, because it works. Oh, look at that. It's already 60. Oops. It's already 60 psi. No, 70. Yeah, 75 psi already. Yep, it works. Nice. Now we're gonna clean it and see. Yeah. This is I think this is one of the problems right here. All right, friends. Thanks for stopping by and like and subscribe. Thanks for those of you who are subscribed. I'm just gonna go wash this little air compressor. All right, we have our soapy water only, just to see if any like hard grease on this. I'm gonna try not to use any chemical on it, so I don't have to peel all this brand and warning and all that kind of stuff. So, and then don't damage any of the electrical. So I'm just gonna do that right now. Alright, I'm just gonna go through this valve because this one it doesn't work. It comes out a little air in here. I might take this off and we'll see, but this one it works perfect. It's only this one, so I'm thinking the valve in here that controls this one, it's not working properly. So I'm just gonna take this off and take this one off. If I'm not mistaken, this hole right here, I think that's what's got clogged. Hopefully you guys can see this. Let's see. Yep. This little hole right here. Look at that. It got clogged. There you go. That's it. Now I'm just gonna send some air through here so it blows off all this. When I deal with these little O-rings in here, I always like to use this petroleum jelly because it makes it so easy and it doesn't hurt your just a little. It doesn't hurt your O-rings and stuff. Instead of using grease would be fine, but I prefer to use this. Look at that. Okay, I don't want to put any of these valves on yet, just in case there's dirt coming out, so I don't clog these. Hopefully this one doesn't clog, so I'm just gonna connect a little bit and see. Definitely I'll put this one on. There is a Texas spring, and then that's it. Up here, screw this back on. There you go. I'm just gonna connect now. So this air compressor came with this one, and I don't like to use this. I like to use this instead. This one. You can get this in any store that I like to use. So it's this. Um, it's escaping air somewhere around here inside of this switch. Um, but overall, look at that. Works. So it's not leaking. It's not leaking air on the pressure switch. It's this valve that it's leaking. So I have this one. I kept one of them. Hopefully it's the same size, which it looks like the same. And I'm just gonna change this and problem solved. Alright, there is pressure on the air compressor right now. There's no air leakage. Alright friends, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Until next one.